Hello everyone, let's find out the palindrome number using while loop in Python. Okay, so palindrome number is the number which remains same when reversed, like 252. Okay, so let me show you now. Number num variable equals to int, asking user the number. After this we will make a temp variable and we will pass the value num, and then we'll make a reverse variable, the short form RAV, and equals to 0 right now. Now we will use the while loop, and while num is greater than 0. So here we will make a dig variable. We will get the last digit of the number. Okay, so num modulo 10. Now after this we will write rev equals to reverse value will be RAV into 10 plus dig. Okay, now after this num equals to num, and then we have floor division operator and then 10. Okay, now we will write if statement. If temp equals to reverse number after reversing. Okay, if it is equal, then print the number is palindrome dot format temp, else the number is not palindrome. Okay, now let's run the program. Now let's give a number 353. Okay, so here the 353 is palindrome number. Okay, thank you, and for more programming lesson check out our channel Flowing Data.